Is this new SUPCASE Ultra Mag Pro S26 Ultra case going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. So I'm a really big fan of this new design, and it has a ton of protective features. For example, you've got that nice camera lens bezel area right here, which does have that popped out piece. So you don't have to worry about your camera lenses being damaged if you do drop it lens side down. Going to be great for shock absorption too, because you have that nice rugged hard back. And if you ever drop your phone on the sides of the case or even on the corners, you have even better shock absorption because each corner does come with these bumpers. Flip it over to the screen side and you have a built-in screen protector. So this is a full body case, meaning you're going to have full 360 protection, and this will be compatible with your thumbprint still. You've got a spot for it right here at the bottom. When it comes to the convenient features, you have that MagSafe ring in the middle, so going to be compatible with all MagSafe accessories, plus a built-in kickstand at the bottom here, which does flip out. You got your vertical viewing, and then you can also get your horizontal viewing with that. I really do like how both sides of the case also have this extra grippy pattern, so you have a lot more grip when holding the phone. And last but not least, it does have the included belt clip, so you can just put your phone right in there. Now you can attach it to your belt or your pant loop, and then you can also turn this 360 too. So if you want to get a couple different angles, you can. Turn it the way you want, and then you can clip it onto things. Overall though, if you are looking for maximum protection for your S26 Ultra, would definitely recommend this new case from SUPCASE. It's got everything you need. You've got full body protection, so you're not gonna have to worry about anything being touched if you do drop your phone. And it's also gonna be a great daily case in my opinion.